Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Aave still makes quite a good impression, one of the best charts out there in my opinion at the moment. My view is still here that from the June low we moved up in a wave 1, probably a diagonal pattern. Then we came down in a wave 2, we hit the $65 level, we came down in an A, B, C correction, and we have now evidence of the first 5-wave move to the upside, which would indicate we are now in the wave 3 to the upside. The wave 3 after the wave 4 down. Yeah, we are looking at the first possible 5-wave structure to the upside. We had here a small impulse which suggests a trend has shifted to the upside. We had here a 5-wave move to the upside, which suggests the trend has shifted to the upside. We now need one more here to really confirm the larger 5-wave move, and that would then give us more evidence that the trend has indeed shifted to the upside. I myself bought down here at $67, made you all aware. In the meantime, I've moved up my stop loss, so can't lose any more on my position. I'm quite pleased with this trade. Yeah, but we've moved up 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 waves up now, so it could very easily only be an ABC. Condition for this trade to work out now in an ideal fashion would be to hold here the $78.40 level. It's a level that I communicated to you after we peaked here in wave 3. You can see how relevant that level was because we came down exactly to this low. And why is this level so relevant? Because in any retracement of the wave 3 into the wave 4, you would expect that in an ideal impulse to the upside, the wave 4 is going to hold the 50% Fibonacci retracement level that is holding at the moment. We then moved up in what I would see as a wave 1, and we're now moving sideways. So this could be just a wave 2 basically, but for me it now starts to look like a triangle here. So it could very well be just sort of a triangle pattern within a wave 2. Now I don't want to get too much into micro counting here. I've already labeled the subwaves of wave 5, but so a wave 2 itself cannot be a triangle, but the B wave within the wave 2 can. Yeah, so this could very well just be a sort of a triangle, you know, this sideways movement before we push higher in the wave 3. Ideally, what we need to see now in the next move to the upside would be the wave 3 target. Now it's a bit hard to really say because we don't really know if wave 2 is finished yet or whatever, but I'd say roughly the $90 level, $90 to $95 for the third wave here to the upside. More leaning towards the 95 to really finish off the entire wave 5. And really in any move up, we should now avoid to cut into the wave 1 price action here. So to cut into the 83.40 level, right? Because the wave 4 should not go down that low and cut into the wave 1 peak. It again is one of the better charts. The price hasn't really moved yet to the upside. It's been holding really well. You can see how different charts are at the moment. I mean, always get the messages everything moves with Bitcoin. No, you just need to compare, for example, the Rune chart with the Aave chart. They move completely differently, which is exactly what we want, right? I mean, this is basically the situation in the stock market. You don't want them all to move in one direction. I mean, yes, there are sort of similarities. They kind of move together, but they still move in their own wave degrees and in different, kind of sometimes in different directions as well, which is great for trading, really. But yeah, so this is what I'm looking out for now, waiting for the sort of $90+ level to confirm here the breakout. In any case, if we drop now below the $78.40 level or 60 level, the wave 4 low here, that would seriously challenge the bullish case here. And there are always still other options, but they just get less likely then. This is currently looking decent. This is looking good, and just waiting now for the price to move. It hasn't moved yet. At the moment we're holding above the previous wave 4 high, which was at roughly $80.50, which is good as well. That's a good signal, good sign for the strength of the chart. And maybe when zooming out, we can also talk about just sort of the target for the next larger wave 3 here in yellow. You can calculate that by taking the length of the wave 1 and by adding it down there to the beginning of the wave 3. So we're going down to the roughly $65 level, and that would take us then, this wave 3 in yellow should take us to around $176 US. Okay, that's my update about Aave. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.